The BAK file type is literally just a lifesaver in disguise. It's your original file, just renamed by the system to keep it safe. You don't need a BAK viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'm going to show you how to rename the extension to get your data back instantly. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted BAK files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. The structure of a BAK is primarily defined as a component of the backup file standard. Its core functionality is built upon the general backup file system. A generic BAK file is a backup copy of a database or another critical file. For Microsoft SQL Server, it is a complete copy of the database structure, tables, and records. Its sole purpose is data recovery and restoration in case of data corruption, accidental deletion, or system failure. Developed by Microsoft, the format's design ensures transactional consistency. The backup process uses specific SQL Server protocols to capture the database at a specific point in time. The format is only restorable using the dedicated SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, or command line tools, as it must adhere to the server's proprietary recovery process. Most installations default to associating Microsoft SQL Server from Microsoft Corporation with BAK. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows can't interpret proprietary backup schemes, so viewing content requires matching software. Your primary action: right-click the BAK file and select Open With. If Microsoft SQL Server is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the BAK file opens successfully. Since this BAK format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, restore in SQL Server. If it is an SQL backup, use SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, to restore the file via right-click Databases. Restore Database. Select Device. Next, open with Original App. Attempt to open the file using the specific application that created it, e.g. accounting software, database utility, or CAD program. Finally, preview as text. Rename the file extension from BAK to TXT and try opening it in a text editor, like Notepad, to read the header and identify the originating application. When no standard application can successfully handle your BAK file, we've reached a hard technical limit. The specialized utility is the logical next step and the most reliable fix to try. I recommend switching to the FileMagick Universal Reader. It solves nearly every BAK file issue with one click. Get it at filemagick.com. Spread the word about this fix. Please hit the like button and subscribe for my latest videos. We're wrapped up here. See you next time.